please. Guys, please check your audio and video settings, please. Design pattern DP614. Yes, here we are discussing about SessionFacade design pattern. What facade, guys? SessionFacade design pattern. This is going to be March 8th, 2022. Okay, guys. Okay. Yes, boss. Shall we get into the subject discussion? Yeah. What is this SessionFacade design pattern? SessionFacade, Passad, anything you can say, guys. Design pattern. Yes. Everyone try to have a look, guys. Problem. Let us assume the client application completes the given task only after talking to multiple external components in a sequence. Multiple external component in a sequence. Multiple external components in a sequence. Okay. In a sequence. Then, okay. That communication diagram looks like this, having multiple network round trips. Guys. Are you understanding my statement, guys? Guys, give me Right, guys? Okay. Let's have a look on this, guys. Let's have a look on this. Yes. Now let's see. This is our client applications business delegate component. Client applications business delegate component. Okay, I'll give complete that. Here is my controller component, guys. Here is my view component. This is my controller component. This is business delegate. This is my business delegate component. Got it, guys? Business delegate component. Now listen, here is my network boss. Here is my network. Yes. Next, here is my external component 1, external component 2, external component 3. External component 1, external component 2, and external component 3. Are you understanding my statement, guys? Yes, guys. What are these external components? Tell me, guys. Okay. Get stock ID component. External component 1 is capable of getting stock ID. Get stock ID. External service 1. Service 1. Copy. Get stock component. Get stock value component. External service 2. Next, get tell me. Get tell me, guys, what is this? Future. Get stock future value. Are predictions will be there now, guys. External component 3. External component 3. Yes. Okay. Here is my view component. Here I am passing stock name. Here I am passing stock name, guys. Okay. I passed stock name as what? SBI. SBI. Here is my get stock details. What details, guys? Get stock details. Super. Get stock details. Get stock details. Are you understanding my statement, boss? Done. Yeah. Listen, guys. The stock value goes to controller component. This controller component forwards to business delegate component. Yes. Now listen. This business delegate component talks with this, gets the stock value, again talks with this, gets the stock value, sorry, current value. Here you get the stock ID, gets the stock ID. Yes. Okay. Passes the stock ID, gets the current stock value. Passes the stock ID, gets the future stock value. Gets the future stock value. Are you comfortable, my dear? Come on. Are you understanding my statement, boss? Okay, guys. Yeah, this is the thing. But listen, guys, how many round trips are there here? Are you noticing there are many round trips involved? Are you noticing many round trips involved? Total, how many round trips? 3 round trips are involved, right? Then stock details will come to controller and it passes those stock details to another view component. Another view component, come on. It passes those stock details to another view component. Yeah, from there it goes to browser. From there it goes to as response. It goes as response. Yes, here is my response, guys. Here is my request, guys. Yes, boss. Now tell me here, what is the order? We are entering stock ID, A, B, talking to business delegate, C, stock ID is the input. Stock ID is the input value. Sorry, stock name is the input value here. Stock name is the input value here. Yes, this is C, guys. Next. Yeah, what is this? Stock ID is the output I will get. Stock ID is the output I get. Come on. Next, E. E. Again, stock ID, guys. Again, stock ID is the input value. Again, stock ID is the input value. Come on. Next, F. Stock value is the output value. Stock value as the output value. G. Stock ID is the input value. Next, H. Future stock value. What value, guys? Future stock value as the output value. Future stock value as the output value, guys. Are you understanding my statement here? Are you getting clarity here, guys? Come on. Future stock value as the output value, boss. Done. Next. HI here. HI here. Next, G here. Okay. Here is my presentation logic, guys. Presentation logic. Super. Tell me, H here. The response goes to browser. Sir, everything looks perfect, na? Where is the problem? I am not finding any problem. I have a problem. Array, to talk with the three components, three times it has to have a network round trips. Array, more network round trips means more burden or not? More network round trips means more burden or not? I want reply, guys. More network round trips means more burden. What do you say, guys? More network round trips means more burden. Convinced with me, my dear. Come on. Got the clarity, my dear. Super, boss. Super. Here. Okay. Tell me. Business delegate. Delegate component of client application is having multiple round trips with multiple external component. Multiple external components. Multiple round trips with what? Multiple external components. Comfortable, guys? Multiple round trips with what? Multiple external components. Multiple round trips with multiple external components, guys. Got the point, my dear? Having multiple round trips with multiple external component, which leads to multiple round, which leads to performance issue. Which leads to performance issue. Okay, listen, guys. You are going to market for 3 works. You will go to market for 3 times, or you will go 1 time, you will complete all the 3 works. You will go for 1 time and you will complete all the 3 works, or you will roam with market for 3 times. Say something, guys. We will roam with market for 3 times, or you will roam with market for 1 time. Say something, my dear. Say something. Got the clarity, guys? Are you comfortable, guys? Are you understanding my statement, guys? Okay. Yeah, tell me, guys. I G H I. Oh, J na? Okay, it should be J. I J K. Are you understanding my statement, boss? This is the problem, guys. Shall we talk about the solution diagram? Shall we talk about the solution diagram? Yes, guys. Yeah. Okay. I think you understood the problem, guys. Performance issue, which is nothing but problem. So now let me talk about the solution part. The solution part is, tell me here, what is the solution part? Take one dummy external component. Take one dummy external component along with multiple real external components. Along with multiple real external components. Are you understanding my statement, boss? Come on. Take one dummy external component along with multiple real external components. Okay. Okay. And use that dummy external component, which is nothing but SessionFacade component, Babu, to interact with other external components locally, and also make business delegate component of client application just talking to only one dummy component, nothing but SessionFacade component. Only one dummy component, nothing but SessionFacade component. Are you understanding my statement, guys? Super, boss. Yeah, we are taking business component, guys. Yes. We are taking business component, guys. Here is my business component. Yes, boss. Here is my network, guys. Here, seriously, my network, guys. Nice. Tell me here, what is that? This is my dummy component. A dummy component. Dummy external service. Dummy external service, guys. Nothing but SessionFacade. Nothing but SessionFacade. Right, boss. Done, boss. Here is my network, guys. Okay. Now tell me, guys, business delegate talks with only for one time. Business delegate talks with this only for one time. Yeah, this will have a local communication. Tell me, guys, how many times we are having network round trips, guys, to invoke all the three services? Only for one time. Only for one time. It's a good thought or not? I hope everyone convinced with my thought process. I hope everyone convinced with my thought process, my dear. Everyone enjoyed it. Now tell me here. A, B, C. C here. Nice. It will talk to other external component. D here. D. E here. Here no network, boss. Do I have any network here? No network. Next. F here. G here. G here. Here is my H. H. Here is my I. Here is my I. Here is my J. Here is my K. Here is my K. Come on. Right, guys. Array, not compulsory. These three services should be there in one container. These three services can be there in three different places. But this to this interaction is only for one time. And that is what we need to observe. That is what we need to observe, boss. Nice. Say paste. This is L. K, L. Yeah, presentation logic. M. Here is my M. Yes, guys. But at least business delegate is not having network round trip now, my dear. Varda Santosh. Think in that angle. Okay, definitely performance is improved, na? Do I need to have multiple round trips? Only one round trip, it will talk with other things, right? Muddy fellow, performance definitely increased. Improved or not improved? Are you not feeling it? Only one network round trip, it is talking with the three components, right? But generally, I'm assuming all these are three related services. External services, all are there in the same container, same server. So this is also there in the same server, right? That time this to this local communication only, na? This to this communication is local, right? Think in that angle. That time performance will be definitely improved or not. A business delegate is not having 3 round trips, ra babu. This to this communication is local communication. Varda Santosh, use brain ra. Assume that all 3 are related components. All these are related components. Come on. Then why it is not improving the performance? Tell me. This to this one network communication, this to this local communications, na. Instead of 3 network communication, now we have to deal with only 1 network communication. Are common sense ra, presence of mind ra. After seeing diagram also, if you say how it is not improving our network, what can I say? But you have to assume that all the 3 components are related component. They are there in the same server. Dummy component is also there in the same server, right? Okay, same environment. All these 4 components are placed in same environment. All these 4 components are placed in same environment. I hope you got the clarity, guys. Yes, guys. Okay. Shall we go for now? Here, business delegate interacts with SessionFacade component only having only 1 network round trip. Only 1 network round trip. Only 1 network round trip. Are you understanding my statement, guys? Here, business delegate interacts with the SessionFacade component having only one network round trip. Clear, guys? Network round trip. And business day, but the SessionFacade interacts with 3 external services. 3 external services. External service components locally. That means business delegate is getting all the 3 external component services. All the 3 external component services by just having 1 network round trip. Network round trip with SessionFacade component. 1 network round trip with SessionFacade component. Nothing but a dummy component, guys. That is nothing but dummy component. I hope everyone convinced, guys. My diagrams are very informative if you observe very carefully. You will get everything in the diagram, guys. I hope you got thorough clarity about the diagram. This is the bad practice. This is good practice. Why are you thinking here and there? Just think in one angle. You have 3 works in the market. You will go to market 3 times, or you will go to one market 1 time and you will complete all the 3 works. You will go to market for 1 time and you will complete all the 3 works. Yes or no? Yeah. Solution diagram is also talking about the same thing or not? Yes, that's why a solution is the best. SessionFacade design pattern implementation. Right, guys. Fine, boss. Example application on service locator plus. Array, why service locator? Array, this that component will be there in the J&A registry now, boss. Dummy component details will be there in the J&A registry. There should be someone talking to J&A registry getting what? Dummy component reference, right? For that one, it is better to go for what? Service locator support or not. Example application on service locator plus SessionFacade. Design patterns. Design patterns first. Design patterns. Okay. Let's take this solution diagram once, boss. Let us take this solution diagram once and let's improvise that. Let's take this solution diagram once and let's improvise this diagram. Right, guys. Now let's see my improvisation. Let's see my improvisation. My improvisation here is service locator. My improvisation here is what? Service locator. I'm dropping all the numbers, guys. I would like to give the new numbers. P, C, wherever numbers are there, you remove them. Done, boss. Right. Array, this dummy component reference will be stored in J&A registry now, boss. Definitely will be stored in J&A registry. Here is my J&A registry. Okay. Right, guys. Stock is the J&A name. Stock is the J&A name. Okay. Let me give some name for it. Let me give this. Okay, what? SessionFacade. SessionFacade component. SessionFacade component. Yeah, what it maintains, guys? StockFacade component reference. StockFacade component reference. StockFacade component reference. Nice, boss. This to these guys. This to these guys. This to this. Fine. Shall we start the flow, boss? Array, to get this external component reference, definitely we have to use what? Service locator support. Array, service locator is there. Place J&A lookup code. Don't place J&A lookup code. Where? Don't place J&A lookup code in business delegate. Always separate that code to service locator. That is what we discussed yesterday, right? Now tell me. Yeah, what is the component name? Get stock dot underscore details dot JSP. Details dot JSP. Next, show underscore stock underscore details dot JSP. Show underscore stock underscore details dot JSP. Next, main controller component. Nice. Main controller component. Yeah, next one. StockFacade component service locator. Next, stock management business delegate. Stock management business delegate. What is that, guys? Stock management business delegate. Stock management business delegate. Right, boss. Is that clear, guys? Stock management business delegate. Yeah, let's see. A, B, next C. Next one. Oh, not that C, guys. They're not. It interacts with the service locator. Array, service locator checks with internal cache. Service locator checks with what? Internal cache. Cache, guys. Here it having cache. Tell me here what is the number? Yeah, B, C here. See here. D question mark. Searching. Not there. So now it makes service locator talking to. It makes service locator talking to J&A registry. Talking to J&A registry. Yes, here we are talking to J&A registry, guys. Okay, it gets external component reference by talking to J&A registry. E was. It will place that one in the cache. It will place that one in the cache. StockFacade component reference. StockFacade component reference. EF. Next. G. This is G. EFG. G. that goes back to this place. Using that, it interacts with the destination component. H. Next. Yeah, this locus, this facade. I. J. K. Yeah, using stock ID. K. L. M. N. N. Tell me here, what is this? N. Okay. O. Next. P. Next. Q. Next. R. Done. End of the story. Is it the end of the story, guys? Enjoyed my statement, guys? Got the clarity, guys? Come on. Yeah. This is nothing but what, guys? Example application on service locator and SessionFacade together. I think you thoroughly understood, guys. This is client application side, guys. This is client application side. Like sharecon.com. Client application side like sharecon.com. This is like BXC, or NSC, National Stock Exchange or Bombay Stock Exchange side. Okay, so this is server side. What side, my dear? Server side. This is client side. This is like client side. Convinced, my dear? Got the clarity? Understood my statement? Everyone got it? Yeah. Yes, boss. When I give stock ID, I get the stock name as a stock. When I give stock name and I get the stock ID as a normal one. No problem. Okay. When I give stock ID, I will get I will get stock details. Generally stock details will come in the form of what? Okay. Stock details DTO. They will come as stock details DTO. They will simply come as what? Stock details DTO. Here we will get it what? Stock futures, stock future details DTO. Future details DTO. What, guys? Stock future details DTO. I think you enjoyed this statement also, boss. Come on. Stock future details DTO, guys. Stock future details DTO. Now tell me, all those details will go here now. Okay. Stock details and future details together should be passed to what? Business delegate component. Who will do that? SessionFacade component will do this. Stock all details. All details DT. Yeah. Array, it will convert these details to whom? Array, in all these places, stock ID is the input value. You know that. Here stock ID is the input value. Along with the request also, what will come? Stock ID only will come. Along with the request also, what will come, guys? Stock ID only will come, boss. Next. Okay, what will come? Stock ID only will come. Tell me, guys, stock details DT. If you want, you can convert into VO also. Stock all details VO. All details VO. They come here also along with the, as a scope data, we will get what? Stock all details VO. Stock all details VO. I think you got the complete idea about the application that we are planning to develop, guys. You enjoyed the diagram. Next 1-2 days, we will be busy developing this application. Tell me, guys, in JWE pattern, every design pattern is looking like one mini project or not? Every design pattern is looking like one mini project or not? Maza is coming when you look at the diagrams, what I am presenting here or not? Those who done proper Servlet JSP, all these are very, very interesting, guys. Oh, okay. These are very, very interesting. Thank you, guys. We'll meet tomorrow and we'll implement this application. Thank you. Have a nice